Hey everybody, it is time for fall. Yes, it is. Today I am participating in the Fall Unboxing and Decorate with Me, which is hosted by Everyday Living with Karen Geeter, Miss Cheryl's Place, and iStyle Design. And what they want us to do is to unbox your fall decor and decorate a space. I'm going to be decorating a small little table in my office. So if you want to see how I do this, just keep watching. Okay, in this box I have many things that I probably will use. I just decided to take one box out of the garage and bring it in because I don't know what items I'm going to be using, but I've got to take all this stuff out so that I can see what I'm working with. Lots of little pumpkins. Definitely pretty fall colors. Sunflowers. And guys, I have no idea how I'm going to style that table. Now, I may not use everything that I'm unboxing. I'm just showing you most of the items. This is pretty. It's just a simple pumpkin little bowl, and it has a matching top to it. If I can find it, I'll show you that. And I only hope I can find the top. Oh boy. Well, here's a cute sign that I found in here. Thankful, grateful, and truly blessed. That's a real pretty one, but I don't know if I'm going to use it. We'll see, because it's kind of big for this particular little table that I have. That's cute. Grateful. Here's another cute one. I think I'm going to stop here because it's a small box and this is a very small table that I will be decorating. So I think I'm going to try to just use the items that you see right here. If I can come up with the top to goes to this one, which I would love to find, then I'll use it. It's probably outside in the garage, and I'm not going back out there because it's too hot, and it doesn't make you feel good when you're standing in there trying to, go through things. So anyway, guys, let's get started with decorating this cute little table that I have. guys, here is the final look of my decorating this cute little table here. I'm using that thankful, grateful, and truly blessed sign to the right. To the left, I decided to use another sign, be grateful. I added a little pop of color, orange, flowers in the back of it. Then this cute little owl that you see here, he is so adorable. And then I just decided to just take my pumpkins and just, you know, place them on the table like this in a circular way. And the last thing I added was this cute little leaf plate. Just something cute for the fall. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Welcome. And I would like to thank all 3 ladies for hosting this challenge. Thank you so much, ladies. This was a lot of fun decorating. Now this is really putting me in the mood to start decorating for fall, which I haven't done yet. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.